Hi, I'm Al from the Garage Project in Christchurch. We're in the up in the high country in Canterbury, bit of a secret location. I'd like to take you through our 110 Defender and see what we've done with the fit out. So firstly we have here our built-in storage. We've got one compartment from the access only from the inside, then we've got two more compartments for clothing and the like. This one has our portable toilet, and we have an under-storage drawer housing our single awning side to go with the 270. So here we have our first freshwater tank. We have 35 litres built in underneath the step there. Next we've got our gull wing window from Stone 4x4 in Cape Town in South Africa. Great for the indoor-outdoor flow. We have a bug mesh to stop the pesky sandflies that we all dread. Coming around here we have our drop-down table for the rear door. This is where we do all our cooking, keeps all the smells and fumes from outside the vehicle. Actually up here we have our sink. The water comes from the tank that I just showed you underneath the vehicle. We've got a wee push button here to start the pump. The lid acts as a bench top. Nice Mark Carper bench top that one is too. Underneath the sink we have storage, pots and pans and bits and pieces. More storage in here for dishcloths, etc. More storage for plates. In here we have two induction cookers, and this is our storage for them. Another storage drawer with the bamboo partitions. Then we have kick panel storage down there. Two more kick panel ones there and under here, plus another couple of storage drawers. It's amazing what you can fit in it. So the material here is a compressed ply with good pull latches. Up here we have more storage, still held in there by the bungees, as you can see. Good for dry goods, cans, whatever you like. So these are the three storage compartments I talked to you about from the outside. These two are accessible from the outside as well. This one is only accessible from the inside. The other thing we have in here is our 40 litre pull-out drawer fridge. Plenty of room for a cold beer on a warm day. So this is just the first of our 230 power sockets. This one has two plugs in it, plus the USB charging ports, where you can run a laptop up here, or we run our induction hob from it. We have a 2000 watt inverter with a 200 amp hour lithium battery from Red Arc. This is the Red Vision screen. This runs our Red Arc power system. You can see everything from battery level to water tank level to turning the fridge on and off, your water pump on and off, charge rate from the vehicle, charge rate from the solar panel. This is the app on your phone. You can see the battery charge level, water tank level, how much the solar panel is charging. All your lights and everything is controlled from this unit. So some of the benefits of the Icarus roof conversion are the internal access to the cabin space. Your bedding stays all on the bed made up, and when the bed's not in use, you push it away to the ceiling and you've got all the space in the world. So in here we have our Red Arc power system. We have a 2000 watt inverter which helps run the induction cookers. We have a 200 amp hour lithium battery. The system is charged from the 300 watt solar panel on the roof and also from the vehicle's alternator when the truck's running. This is our dream fit out. We love it. It gets us out there doing what we love to do. Come and see us about your dream fit out. We are restockers and sellers for Red Arc power systems, Alucab off-road outdoor gear, and Lucas Creek tents and awnings.